Okay, so we've just calculated the total percentage uncertainties for our experiment in CPAC 1. What you'll then need to do is do a calculation to find out what the unknown concentration for sodium hydroxide is based on your solution of sodium hydrogen sulfate. When I did the calculation, I found it to be a concentration of 0.103 moles per decimeter cubed with the associated percentage uncertainty of plus or minus 1.93 because I used the first method, the tearing method. Now that means that the value of 0.103, the true value that I got would have actually laid in a range plus or minus 1.93%. So that range would be plus 0.101 to 0.105. So my value is actually based on the equipment and the associated percentages, uncertainty percentages used. My value here does actually lie between this range here. Unfortunately, the true value for the concentration of the sodium hydroxide used was exactly 0.100 mole per decimeter cubed. So what does that mean? Well, unfortunately, the true value lies outside of the value that I calculated, even with the percentage uncertainty incorporated. So this lies outside of the range of the possible true answer that I would have got from my practical. So this means I have no confidence in my result, or that's no confidence in the result, or I have no confidence in the method. So what I would then do is I would go back, look over the method and look at ways of reducing this percentage uncertainty, and the best way to do that is to actually increase the amounts of substance used. So instead of using or making up a 250 centimeter cubed solution, I could make up a litre solution. Instead of that would decrease the percentage uncertainty of the mass used. It would also decrease the percentage uncertainty of the volume. What I could also do is use a more dilute titrant, the thing you put in the burette. That would increase the volume of the titer, the mean titer. They would therefore have a smaller percentage uncertainty there as well. But either way, unfortunately, using this method, the result from my practical, I fell outside of the accepted range, so therefore I don't have any confidence in my result.